What is it, Star? Where are they? Did they leave you here? Huh? You want to go outside? Where's Mom at? Did they just leave you? They left you? They're not here anymore. They're not. I'm telling you, there's nobody outside. They aren't here. I'll stay home with you. I'll stay here. What, you gonna open the door now? Open the door. Go outside. Go outside. Where's Tori at? Where is she? Did they all leave you? Star, did they all leave you? You can't go outside. You can't. Go lay down. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Star. Come on. Come on. You can't go outside. Come on. Come on. Where are they? Oh. That's why. Whoops.